Let's imagine that there are two students. They each lose a library book. The librarian, the legal authority in this case, decides that one student, whose parent volunteers frequently in the library, has to pay to replace the book, while the other student, whose parent has never been to the library, has to clean the library for 3 months, in addition to paying for the lost book. Is this justice? While justice is a term you're likely familiar with, what does it truly mean? And why is it such a fundamental principle in the United States? Justice encompasses 4 important characteristics or ideas. Fairness. Justice should be fair and impartial without bias or prejudice. Equality. Everyone, regardless of wealth, status, background, should be treated equally. Neutrality. Justice should be neutral so that no one receives preferential treatment. Independence. Justice should be independent of outside influence so that the outcomes are fair and impartial. Essentially, justice means treating people fairly according to the law. Justice also requires that the legal process be clear, consistent, and accountable. In England during the 1760s, the laws did not apply equally to all citizens. Wealth, social standing, and family history or lineage influenced the legal treatment individuals received, meaning those with advantages often enjoyed more favorable outcomes in a court of law. The framers thought that they had been treated unjustly by the British government because the British courts did not treat them equally under the law as British citizens. This sense of injustice was a major reason why they prioritized justice as a core principle for the new nation. Beyond ensuring equal treatment under the law, the framers aimed to prevent the new government from becoming a monarchy, where power would be concentrated in the hands of a single ruler, or dissolving into mob rule, where decisions would be made by the masses without regard for established laws or authority. The framers aimed to create a balanced system, where justice and order could be maintained without falling into either extreme. The concept of justice is addressed in the Constitution in a few different ways. The preamble to the Constitution explicitly states that one of the Constitution's purposes is to establish justice. The Constitution establishes a system of laws and a process for lawmaking. From a structured government with 3 distinct branches to the system of checks and balances, the Constitution is designed to ensure that the nation operates under a consistent and fair system of laws. The Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments to the Constitution, protects individual rights and sets standards for fair legal procedures. The 14th Amendment addresses justice by guaranteeing equal protection under law and due process to all citizens. This amendment extended civil rights and ensures that state laws also adhere to principles of equality and fairness. So why should justice matter to you? Could we be more just as a society? What would that look like?